मुंबई के गोरेगांव क्षेत्र में स्थित बॉम्बे एग्जीबिशन सेंटर में 21 से 24 अगस्त तक ताइवान एक्सीलेंस की प्रदर्शनी ऑटोमेशन एक्सपो 2024 ने आम जनता का ध्यान फिर से अपनी ओर आकर्षित किया है। इस वर्ष ताइवान एक्सीलेंस के पवेलियन में मशीनरी, ऑटोमेशन, इक्विपमेंट एंड कंपोनेंट्स, इंडस्ट्रियल पीसी और आईओटी डिवाइसेस के क्षेत्र में, फैक्ट्री ऑटोमेशन के क्षेत्र में आधुनिक प्रोडक्ट की प्रस्तुति इस प्रदर्शनी में की गई है। इस इवेंट में प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च सेशन टुगेदर फॉर ऑटोमेशन एक्सीलेंस रखा गया था। यहाँ एडवांटेक, हाईविन, जंबो लेजर, मीनवेल, प्लेनेट जैसे टॉप ब्रांड्स ने अपने सबसे नए प्रोडक्ट्स को लॉन्च किया। इसमें मुख्य रूप से मॉड्यूलर टीपीसी सीरीज, पर्यावरण अनुकूल समाधान, रोबोटिक ऑटोमेशन के क्षेत्र में हुई प्रगति और अत्याधुनिक बिजली आपूर्ति के उपकरण शामिल थे। इन कंपनियों के विशेषज्ञों ने मेहमानों के साथ बातचीत की और उन्हें यह समझाया कि स्मार्ट ऑटोमेशन किस तरह निर्माण प्रक्रिया में क्रांति ला सकता है और स्मार्ट फैक्ट्रियां बना सकता है।
Yeah. So hi, my name is Vishal Khatogar. I'm the founder and director for Blue Box Communication Private Limited. We are a Pune-based company and we are the authorized channel partners for Planet Technology Corporation in India. So we have been working with Planet since over a decade now. It is a company into industrial networking, majorly offering industrial networking solutions such as LAN switches, fiber optic solutions, industrial Ethernet switches, industrial PoE Ethernet switches, and industrial IoT gateways. So with all these products, we are trying to build networking solutions and offering it to the various different sectors or industries, majorly catering towards factory automation, transportation, smart city applications.
Who are your major buyers?
So in terms of the sectors, so we are our major buyers in terms of customers are Siemens, or major buyers are from the smart city applications. So we have sold to metros, then surveillance applications in cement plants, steel plants, even in hydro plants.
What is your focus product at Automation Expo?
At the Automation Expo, we are focusing majorly on 3 products which are the newly launched. One is the industrial PoE switch, which is a flat type solution which has been recently launched. So the product offers a PoE BT, or which is a high power solution. Secondly, we have a TSN switch which is for 4G, not 4G, 10G networks, which supports high data transmission. And the third product is the 5G industrial IoT router, which can be used for which can be used as a VPN server as
in Taiwan, right? Oh, now you can see the whole a lot of exhibitors is promoting their robots, and right now it is a trend. And also, I think in futures, semiconductor industry will come into the India, and I think this also is a big trend of the India. So we will focus on the semiconductor industry in the future, and because we are very strong in Highwind is very strong at the semiconductor industry in Taiwan. Yes.
So what is the growth that is happening from the previous years that you see in India, the acceptability of Taiwan products? How much is the growth of the industry in accepting Taiwan?
How much is
How much is your growth in selling products to India?
Okay.
Collaboration,
So the sales growth
business,
is
the growth of business from Taiwan to India.
okay.
Over the years.
For Highwind ourselves,
Yes.
the growth in India is like around 20 to 30%. It's because India, the whole market is growing. So I think everyone in export to India is growing. Yes, and it's growing very fast.
Any plans of manufacturing in India? Any Taiwanese companies are coming and setting up base to manufacture their products in India?
You mean the
Taiwanese companies, any Taiwanese companies are coming in India to set up their base for serving the Indian population as well as exports?
I'm not sure another company, but Highwind we are only manufacturing in Taiwan, and we have a lot of dealer in India. So because all of the world they can get Highwind products with made in Taiwan, and we can control the quality and the same products in all of the world. So Highwind can get the same standard with like in Europe, in US. So Highwind can get the India customer can get the Highwind product in the with the same standard. Yeah.
Okay, myself Bharat Chaudhary. I am representing Advantech India. I am working as a key account business development as an assistant manager, and around total year of experience about 14 years into this automation industry. So this is from my side.
Which is the major product in focus that you are trying to promote in this version of exhibition?
Okay. As far as product is concerned, now we are known as a PC manufacturing company, industrial PC manufacturing company. In the last 40 years, Advantech is into manufacturing of industrial PC, panel PCs, and into also networking component, also into the wireless communication also. So these are the main core products that we are promoting in this, especially where the IT/OT integration is very crucial part in any manufacturing company. So from this portfolio, these are going to support to leverage any manufacturing company to make a smooth IT/OT integration.
Anything else you would like to add to it?
As far as key point, I would like to add, that is plant digitalization. That is one of the fast moving trend into the manufacturing industry, and Advantech is having some solution ready packages with in our product basket, with the help of which you can do plant digitalization with very smoothly. So from that angle, we have some hardware solution, we have solution ready software packages, and with the help of which any manufacturing company can do plant digitalization at affordable price.
Okay, I'm Benaka Varadaraju. I'm from Bangalore, and I head Meanwell India business. And we have a manufacturing plant where we produce electronic power supplies, and we are a standard power supply manufacturing company. We have wide range of product solutions. Let's say from 0.5 watts to 365 kilowatts, we have lots and lots of product solutions to cater to the standard power conversion demand. Yes, and we are actually a Taiwanese-based company, but we have investments here in India as well, and we are focusing to grow more and more in India.
The major product that you are looking at as a focus product this time, I have experience.
See, today I would say as on date, telecom as well as solar energy conversion is a big thing happening here in India as well as all over the world. So we have a range of product to suit those requirements. Let's say 5G, we have solutions for telecom applications, and as well as for solar industry, we have lots of DC-DC converters where it's already very popular. Our solutions are popular and going in a very good stream.
Yeah, actually I am Raghavendra Nayak. I am the director for Syntech Technology India Private Limited. As I mentioned in the presentation, we are just born. I mean to say 2023 November, we introduced Syntech India. So just to facilitate our machine tool as well as automation market. So as you know, India is very growing company and very promising. So we need reliability. Also, we need to keep India is keep on growing. That's why maybe in future we may invest in India for manufacturing setup. So for the educator.
What are the major products that you are looking at focusing on?
The first thing is machine tool. Second is automation. Machine tool come under machine tool means CNC controller and dedicated control for the machine tool application like turning, milling. Like in automation, it is like a robot and the motion control. So that's a kind of segments we work at.
Any major differentiating factor that you have which makes you stand out from any other?
Competitors, I can say, yeah, actually both we are working for one nation. So what product I have, what product they have, I don't want to differentiate because both are at the good stage in the performance. At the end of the day, there will be some of the unique functions. Like if I give some of the warranty extra, if I give some of the performance extra, that matters a lot. As I mentioned in the presentation, so we give a complete turnkey solution. Customer need not to go different vendors. So we give the complete solution. So that's why we are. Thank you. Thank you.
CEN न्यूज, देश प्रदेश की ताजा तरीन खबरों के लिए CEN न्यूज को सब्सक्राइब करें और रहें पल पल की खबर से हर पल बाखबर।